Scheiße, Sundus, ich komme aus Pakistan. Ich bin hier seit 7, 8 Jahren in Deutschland. Ich kam hierher für mein Masterstudium im Management Informationssystem. Während meinem Masterstudium habe ich in verschiedene Unternehmen gearbeitet. Ich habe auch in verschiedenen Bereichen gearbeitet, und zwar Data-Operation, Business Analyst und jetzt auch im Project Management. Ähm, Eben alle diese Unternehmen, die Sprache war Englisch, so ich habe nicht viele Erfahrung im Deutsch zu sprechen, aber jetzt, wenn ich habe diese Kurs teilgenommen, ich habe so viele selbstbewusst, dass ich habe eine neue Stelle mit meinen deutschen Kenntnisse bekommen, und nächste Woche ist mein erster Tag in meiner neuen Stelle.
Hi everyone, we're sitting here with Sundus. Sundus is our student who just completed our premium 12-week course, and she will share today her experience. How was her German before I joined this course, and how is that now?
So before joining this course, I get very scared when I had to speak German. It isn't like that I didn't knew the vocabulary and I didn't knew the word, but the scaredness always get to me. So every time if I have to go to office, or if I have to have a interview, then I always try to switch from German to English because I feel more confidence and comfortable in speaking that language. But it was also not good for me because trying to find a job, or anyways in daily activities in Germany, we need to have a good German skills. And I think after joining this course, that helped me with my self-confidence, with my self-esteem. Now every time I have to go to the behavior day, or I have to have an interview, I always first priority is to speak in German. And I think after giving an interview in German and getting a job through my German skill, it gave me a lot of self-confidence that I speak with more confidence. Um, of course, I'm not gonna say I'm perfectly good in it. It takes time, but the motivation is still there. I think before joining this course, I didn't have the motivation. I wanted to learn German, but the motivation thing was lacking. But throughout this course, the teachers, the students that I have studied with, they all were very good. They all were very helping. The teacher were very nice and always giving you nice motivation ideas, how can we improve further. And throughout, the structure of this course is also very easy to follow, but you have to follow it, and you require the motivation that you will learn it. I can guarantee you that after uh, through going through this course, you'll be able to speak it more fluently maybe than I am speaking, because they help you out. The structure is like that. And I think after 6, 7 weeks, you might feel a little bit demotivated, and I think it's normal because I saw in the videos that we were doing weekly, and there was one video where you were telling that don't feel demotivated, and I was like, I was like, how did he know that I am feeling demotivated in this week? So I think it's perfectly catered to the student need, and everybody should join this course.
Thank you for sharing that. And I really want to say that you are very, very consistent student. You are like very regular with the voice messages, classes. You did everything that you did everything that actually we told you, and that's why here we're at. And this what you just mentioned about the week 6 kind of it's from experience. We already know that because when you reach halfway through and then you see back, oh, look how much I did, but look how much more there is, then of course people can feel that, okay, ah. I have to study more to reach that. So it's kind of normal that 1 week it lasts, something like this. But you went really well. You never give up. You always like very consistent. And I must say, you really deserve to be where you're at. And you also mentioned at the beginning when you were speaking in German that also you got a job. And those are great news because also you kind of joined this course to improve your German so you actually be able to attend a meeting. How was for you when you attended the meeting? And I guess the meeting was fully in German, correct?
Yeah, there was two round of interview. One was a video interview, and the other one was a personal interview, like a face-to-face one. I have to go to the company. I was very scared, and I told Vanessa that I'm scared, and I have an interview, and I think it's gonna get really bad. But it worked perfectly fine. I think it was just the thought that I have to speak German, and I was comfortable speaking it when I was in the course. So I knew that I know the word, I know the sentences, but it's just speaking to professionally with some other person was getting to me. But when I started the interview call, it all went really great. And after then giving the personal interview, when I go to the company, there are two more people there, and they all really like the interview. And I think the interviewer at the end also mentioned that my pronunciation is very good. So I think it was a big compliment for me from hearing from someone other than my teacher that that my pronunciation is good. So it felt really great that all the hard work that I'm doing and throughout this course that I'm getting the help is finally paying off.
Absolutely, absolutely. At least now you have more options. You always now have option. You have a knowledge, and this is something that no one can take it from you because
Yeah,
this was like a very nice investment in yourself as something that will serve you until the end of your life. Because
of
not
course.
just in Germany, if you travel in the Europe, you go to Austria, Switzerland, you can always use the language, talk with people, which again opens more possibilities to meet new people, and not just that, but even more. And is there anything like to say to someone who would consider joining this course? Remember, we are also a long time ago on the call, and you were like, okay, should I join this course or not? And you made a decision. So, what you'll say to that person who also now maybe I feel a bit, oh, should I join or not? What should I do?
I think don't think twice and just join the course. It's worth the money. At first, it feels like it that, oh, the money is too much, so I might be wasting it. But no, it's not like that. You improve so much more in those 3 months that you ever do in normal traditional classes. I did those classes too, and I can vouch for this course that it helped you improve so much more that you'll be able to fluently speak. The structure is like that. The teacher help you out throughout this course, so it doesn't matter if you are on like on a level where you don't even know the word of German, or on a level where you have the knowledge, a little bit knowledge of German, and you just wanted to be fluent in it. It's for both of those people, and just don't think twice. Let's do it.